Hello, my name is Adam Short, and I'm an advanced certified QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor and an IRS enrolled agent. Today, I'd like to talk to you about some features here with QuickBooks Online. We are in Craig's Design and Landscaping Services, which is a fictitious business. You can access this for free if you Google QBO Test Drive, and it's a great way to learn how to use QBO without breaking your books. So today we are on the dashboard. I want to go to specifically the audit log, and I want to show you what you can do with the audit log. So if we go to the gear icon, top right corner, and then we go under tools, and then down here is the audit log. Let's click that. And the audit log is a very helpful tool, especially if you've got multiple users that access your books and make transactions and make changes and what have you. And this will be a chronological global view of all of the activity that occurs on this account. Okay, so this is a very vital tool to have. You cannot delete the audit log. It is permanent, and every transaction that has occurred in here is going to show up in here. So let's say you've got 5 users and you just kind of want to make sure that your bookkeeper and your employees are doing what they should do and not doing anything they shouldn't be doing. So we've got a filter up here that we can select. We can click this drop down, and then we can select all users, or we can dive into specific ones. So let's say we want to find out what I've been doing in the books. So I'll click Adam Short, and the reason I'm in here is because I've been doing things in here prior to this video for other videos. So we've got a date range, and let's just go ahead and say all dates, and let's say show all events. I want to see everything that Adam Short has done forever, and we have nothing in here. Okay. Normally there will be activity that shows up. So let me go change that. Let me just go back and do all users so I can show you kind of the type of things that will show up. So again, this is a fictitious business. It's not real. So we've got May 11th, Craig Carlson. He's been logging in, logging out. He went in and he edited a vendor. He added me in as a vendor. He's been doing all kind of things in here. He's edited products and services. And you'll notice that each action has a timestamp on here. So this is very helpful if you want to ever isolate or pinpoint what's been done. And also notice that to the right-hand side, we've got a view link here that we can actually look at the action in more detail. So let me click that. So this is the activity associated with that specific action. So April 7th, system administration is the behind-the-scenes system, QuickBooks itself doing this. So when you see system administration, that's what that is. And sometimes you'll see online banking as well show up. And that's just your online banking, making changes, downloading transactions and stuff. And then it shows it added a product or service hours. So that is another view that you can look at specifically with that action. Now, there's another view that we can look at that's not directly in the audit log, but it's more in transaction audit log. So let's go into sales, and let me open this particular transaction here. This is an invoice number 1024. And let's say I want to find out, well, who entered this invoice? I don't know who entered this. Okay, so if you go down to the bottom, this black bar, click More, and then click Audit History. And this is kind of a different audit than the audit log. This is a very detailed chronological listing of what has happened with this transaction from start to present. So the most recent, the oldest appears here. So April 14th, 3:44 p.m., it says that the transaction was added by Craig Carlson. Okay, and it gives us all of the details of what this invoice included. Okay, I'm going to go back to the invoice quickly, and I'm going to make a change. I'm going to delete this third line here. I'm going to delete garden rocks, okay? And then I'm going to click save, okay? Let's say tomorrow somebody comes in here and they want to see what I did the previous day. They come in here, they click more audit history, okay? Audit history comes up. So now we've got, and this shows up a little different than it normally would in a real QBO file, but they're recording what I just did as Craig Carlson. So here we have, okay, April 14th is when the transaction was added. And then today, May 11th, there was an edit made to this, okay? And the things that were changed are highlighted in orange. So why is it that the 108 is highlighted? It's because the total amount of the invoice changed. It used to be a higher amount, but because I deleted the third line, it changed that. So you can see down here it says previous row 3 deleted. And that's what I did. I deleted the row 3. But see, the cool thing is I can go and see what it used to look like before this line 3 was deleted. So we see the $48 Red Rock Diner, Garden Rocks, okay? So when you delete something in QuickBooks Online, it is deleted, but you have a record of what was deleted. It's still there. It never really goes away. So this is a very useful tool, and it's very, very, very helpful, and it gives peace of mind to the business owner to know that all the activity can be audited. And we've had clients that had to do that. So just know that if you need to use that, you've got the top right corner, the gear icon, Audit Log, or you've got under the transaction itself, you've got the more, and you've got the audit history. So hopefully this has been helpful to kind of provide you with some tracking tools on everything that happens in your books. And if you are looking for additional input on QuickBooks Online, check out our website, shortfinancial.com, or our YouTube channel. Until then, happy bookkeeping. Thank you.